Imagine a trip where nothing breaks, nothing dies, nothing gets lost. That's where these 20 finds land you. This is GEARHOUND, I'm Marcus. I dig through hundreds of travel gadgets every week, and only the ones that actually earn their spot make it here. Today's lineup, 20 finds that'll upgrade your carry-on without burning your wallet. Links in the description if you want to grab any. Hit subscribe. Let's get into it. Ever step off a 10-hour flight feeling like your ankles just went through a war zone? Swollen feet, dead legs, seat too tight to stretch? Yeah, that pain's universal. Out of every travel comfort gadget I scanned this month, this one made the cut. Meet the SerinaXin Foot Hammock. Memory foam padding, bamboo support beam, adjustable strap system, folds down to fit a jacket pocket. Loop it over the tray table, slide your feet in, recline, 3 seconds. Suddenly economy feels a lot less economy. Costs less than an airport meal. Fixes a problem those meals usually cause. You're at the airport gate, phone at 12%, no outlet in sight, and your backup power bank feels like a brick in your pocket. Familiar? Real talk, this one's been on my short list for weeks. Finally worth showing. Meet the TORRAS MiniMag Pro, semi-solid state battery, 5,000 milliamp hours capacity, MagSafe magnetic snap, ultra slim, barely thicker than your phone case. Snap it to the back, walk away. It charges wirelessly while you move. No cables, no brick, no panic. This is what a power bank looks like when someone actually thought about the pocket it's going in. Hold up, wait until you see number 7. That one earns its spot for a reason. Beach day, kids splashing, someone yells, "Catch!" And now your $1,200 phone is airborne over the water. Heart drops. Fixed. This one showed up in every waterproof phone test I've dug through, kept coming back to the top. Meet the Hiearcool waterproof phone pouch. IPX8 certified full submersion. Touchscreen still works underwater. Clear front and back, neck lanyard. Drop it in the pool. Take pictures at 30 feet. Wear it snorkeling. Costs less than a phone screen repair, way less than a new phone. Basically insurance you'll actually use. You've done it. I've watched people do it. Set the keys down just for a second, 3 hours later, tearing the whole house apart. Enter this find. Meet the AirTag holder keychain with swivel ring, waterproof silicone shell, glow-in-the-dark, never-lost shield emboss. Swivel key ring that doesn't twist your keys into a knot. Snap in your AirTag, clip it on, done. Ping your phone. Find your keys in 4 seconds, even in the dark. Cheap. Small. Handles one of the most annoying problems in daily life. Your phone dies at 8%. You reach for a cable. Nothing. Every friend you ask says, "I only have iPhone" or "I only have Android." Solved. I dig through EDC gear constantly. This one keeps climbing back to the top. Meet the XKCZ keychain cable. 4-in-1. USB-C, USB-A, Lightning, all in one. 240 watt fast charging. Real-time volts, amps, and watts digital display right on the cable. Fits on your keys, clip it, forget it, pull it out when someone needs juice. The digital screen shows exactly how fast you're charging. No more guessing, fits every phone, never leaves your keys. For anyone traveling with insulin or temperature-sensitive meds, this isn't a gadget, it's non-negotiable. And most cooler cases are a guessing game. Is it still cold in there? Meet the WOODAKE insulin cooler travel case. Digital temperature display on the outside, you see the exact temp without opening it. 9-layer insulation. 2 TS-approved ice packs included. Holds temp for hours in summer heat. Pack the meds. Freeze the packs. Read the screen. Zero guesswork through security. On the plane, at the hotel. Worth every cent for the peace of mind alone. Your wallet is a mess. 14 cards jammed into a leather slab, no clue what's in there anymore. Then you leave it in a taxi. Panic hits. This one earned its spot the honest way it actually solves the problem. Meet the KIKVES AirTag wallet. RFID blocking. Pop-up aluminum card holder up to 12 cards. Dedicated AirTag slot. Push the lever. Cards fan out in a clean stack. Slip the AirTag in. Never lose it again. Slim, sharp, built like a Swiss knife but for your back pocket. Solid gift for the guy who claims, "I don't need anything." You land in Rome, different plug. You land in Tokyo, different plug again. Meanwhile, your bag is a tangle of adapters that half work, half don't. Fooled me at first, looked like every other adapter. Then I read the specs. Different story. Meet the RHAICXANS 35-watt travel adapter. 200 plus countries covered. 2 USB-C plus 2 USB-A ports. 35-watt fast charging output. 8 amp safety fuse built in. Flip the plug you need, charge 5 devices at once. Hotel room, airport lounge. Coffee shop in Bangkok, one adapter handles all of it. Buy once. Use it every trip for the next decade. You unzip your toiletry bag in a hotel bathroom and everything's a war zone. Shampoo leaked, toothbrush wet, razor missing. Sound familiar? Meet the Ralnitote hanging toiletry bag. 360-degree swivel hook hangs on any door, rod, or shelf. Multi-compartment mesh plus elastic organization. Waterproof, durable fabric. Fits full-size bottles, no more travel size hell. Unzip, hang, everything's laid out like a mini bathroom. Zip up, fold flat. Back in the suitcase. Also happens to look like a proper gift leather trims. Clean stitching. Real one to hand to someone. Your phone is at 89% storage. 10 years of photos. Kids growing up. Trips you barely remember. And one wrong move, dropped, phone, dead, drive, and all of it's gone forever. That's the fear. If I had to pick one gadget for anyone who's not tech savvy, this is where I'd point them. Meet the PhotoStick Omni X, 32 gigabytes. Auto scans photos and videos with one tap. Works on phone, tablet, and computer multi-port design. 32 gigabytes of secure storage. Plug it in, tap go, walk away. It finds every photo and backs it up. No cloud accounts, no passwords, no confusion. Simple enough for your parents. Real enough to matter. Quick question for you, drop it in the comments. Would you rather trust the cloud with your memories or something you can actually hold in your hand? Tell me which camp you're in. Ever tried sleeping on a plane and woken up with a neck that feels like it's been through a jiu-jitsu match? Yeah, this one keeps making the cut every time I look at travel comfort. Meet the Travel Pillow Memory Foam Set. Ergonomic memory foam neck support. Includes sleep mask plus earplugs. Compact carrying case that clips to your carry-on. Wrap the pillow around your neck. Slip on the mask. Plug the ears. Boom, you're in your own zone at 30,000 feet. Buying these separately runs way more. Whole set, one price. The trifecta for actually landing rested. Your bag is bursting, power bank, wall charger, 2 cables, all for one phone. Then you realize you left the wall plug at the hotel. Fantastic. This one's been sitting on my short list since I first saw it. Meet the TORRAS PowerGo 3-in-1, 10,000 milliamp hours capacity. Built-in retractable USB-C cable. Foldable wall prongs plug it straight into an outlet. Charge from the wall. Unplug, keep charging on the move. One device replaces 3. Fits in a jacket pocket. Frees up a whole compartment in your bag. This is what packing smart actually looks like. You're walking through the airport. Sun's out. You take off your hat. Now what hold it? Squash it in the backpack? Meet the Niveaya magnetic hat clip. Strong magnetic clip system. Snaps onto any bag strap, belt loop, or backpack. Compact, barely weighs anything. Clip it. Attach the hat. Walk hands-free. The hat's still there when you need it. That's it. That's the whole product. Not everything needs to be complicated to be useful. Sometimes the smart move is the simple one. Every seasoned traveler has that moment zipper explodes at baggage claim, contents flying, and now you're the guy at the airport with sock displays. Meet the 20-inch aluminum frame zipperless carry-on. Solid aluminum frame, no zipper to bust. TS-approved combination lock built into the shell. Integrated cup holder up top. Cabin legal size across most airlines. Click open, pack, snap, shut, roll. That aluminum shell shrugs off the beating your bag takes in cargo. This one's the last bag you'll buy territory. Costs more up front. Costs nothing in replacements down the road. You've got a 3-day trip. You packed for 8. Bag doesn't zip. Sitting on it doesn't help. Enter the fix. Meet the 21-pack travel vacuum storage bags. Built-in rechargeable electric pump, no manual sucking. 90-micron thick durable material, no puncture worries. 21 pieces in mixed sizes for every kind of gear. Load the clothes, zip the bag, hit the pump. Watch your pile shrink to half its size, roll it up, slide it in. Suddenly your carry-on has room for the souvenirs you actually wanted to bring back. This one pays for itself the first time it saves you a checked bag fee. Kayaking trip, sudden wave, backpack takes the hit. Now your phone, wallet, and camera are swimming. Trip ruined. Real talk, this one earned its spot the honest way. Meet the Malo'o 30L waterproof dry bag backpack. IPX6 waterproof rating. 500D PVC heavy-duty material. Roll top closure system, 3 rolls and clip. 30L capacity fits a full day setup. Drop your gear in. Roll it, clip it. Throw it in the boat, on the sand, into the surf. Everything inside stays dry. Built for people who actually go where the water is, not for looks. You check your bag, watch it disappear behind the counter, then you spend the whole flight wondering if someone's rummaging through it right now. Meet the Kwikset TSA-approved 3-digit combination lock. Trusted lock brand, TSA recognized master key system. Agents can open it without cutting. 3-digit resettable combination. Flexible cable design fits any zipper. Loop the cable, set your code, click, done. TSA can inspect without destroying your lock. Costs about the same as a coffee. Buys you a whole flight of not worrying. Almost done. Save your strongest wow for the last 3. Trust me. 6-hour flight. Trying to watch a movie holding your phone up. 20 minutes in, your arm is dead. 40 minutes in, you give up. Real talk, this one keeps popping up on my radar. Meet the Perilogics Universal Airplane Phone Holder Mount. Dual-axis 360-degree rotating joint. Pocket size folds down small. Universal phone compatibility. Clips onto any tray table, seat back pocket, or overhead vent. Clip it, rotate, adjust. Watch hands-free for 6 hours straight. Also works on your desk, kitchen counter, gym rack, small tool. Fixes one of the most universal travel frustrations there is. You unzip your toiletry bag and there it is, your toothbrush, kissing the same corner where your dirty razor was. Yeah, that's the moment. Meet the Silicone Toothbrush Travel Case. Food-grade silicone. Strong magnetic closure snaps shut in one motion. Extra large capacity fits electric brushes. Plus toothpaste. Drop the brush in, snap it closed, toss in the bag. It's basically armor for your toothbrush. Also fits makeup brushes, razors, whatever needs its own zone. Cheap, small, solves a hygiene problem you didn't want to keep thinking about. Long airport line, 90 degrees outside, a C, broken. You're melting in a queue with 200 people. Meet the Gaiatop mini portable handheld fan, 6-speed turbo cooling, up to 15 hours of battery life. 3-in-1 foldable design, handheld, desktop, or hanging. Point it at your face. Turn the dial. Instant relief. Folds down to fit a jacket pocket. Rechargeable via USB-C. Works everywhere heat happens, festivals, camping, sitting through a delayed flight, waiting in line at customs. Pocket-sized air conditioning. Once you have one, you'll wonder how you traveled summer without it. That's the lineup. 20 travel finds, everyone earned its spot. Now the real question, drop it in the comments. Which one you actually adding to your travel kit before your next trip? My personal pick from this lineup, number 14, the aluminum frame carry-on. Zipper failures ruin trips, and this one fixes that problem for good. If this helped you pack smarter, hit that subscribe button. New GEARHOUND drops every week, no fluff, just gear worth your attention. See you in the next one.